Good morning, Year 5. On the screen is a quick warm-up activity. Try to use the if I know statements. For example, if I know 7 times 2 is 14, I know 7,000 times 2 is 14,000. You might want to write these down or just say them out loud. Here are the answers. How did you do? This week we've been looking at using the formal written method to multiply. Today we're using it to multiply 4-digit numbers by a 1-digit number. We can use a place value chart and the formal written method to represent this. Calculation is 3,223 times 3. So I've got 3,223 3 times on my place value chart. My first step would be to multiply the ones. So 3 times 3 is 9. My second step is to multiply the tens. So 2 tens times 3 is 6 tens. And then the hundreds. 200 times 3 is 600. And finally, the thousands. 3,000 times 3 is 9,000. For this calculation, we didn't need to carry any tens, hundreds or thousands. Let's try another one. So 6,151 times 2. I've represented that already using counters on my place value chart. So my first step is to multiply our multiplier 2 by our ones, 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. I need to write that in the ones column. We now need to multiply 2 by 5 tens. 2 times 5 tens is 10 tens. As we now have 10 tens, we can exchange them for 100. We need to carry this 100 into the hundreds column. I can put that below the hundreds column. So our next step is to multiply 2 by 100. So 2 times 100 is 200. Adding the extra 100 we carried is 300. And finally, 2 times 6,000 is 12,000. So my answer is 12,302. Now it's your turn. Choose a column to solve on your whiteboard using the formal written method. Pause the video to give yourself some time to do this. The answers are on the screen. Self-mark your answers. How did you do? Don't worry if you got any incorrect. Just see if you can work out where you made a mistake. Let's try some reasoning. Harry has been practicing short multiplication. So that's our formal written method. Identify and explain the errors he has made. So Harry forgot to carry the tens from 4 times 3 into the tens column. Did you spot his mistake? Last question. So on the screen there is a word problem where you need to use the formal written method to calculate the answer. It says, there are 7,052 straws in a box. How many will there be in 4 boxes? Pause the video to give yourself some time to work this out. So in 4 boxes, there would be 28,208 straws. Wow, that's a lot of straws. Check your calculation. Does it look like the one on the screen? Choose the 1-star or 2-star IP, which you can find on WordPress or you can see on the screen now to complete. Remember to write the date and LO on your paper before you complete this.